Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best muzzleloader accessories is probably one of the most crucial aspects of maximizing your muzzleloading experience. From enhancing accuracy to ensuring safety and ease of use, the right gear can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the essential accessories that every muzzleloader enthusiast should consider, helping you make informed choices to improve your shooting performance and overall enjoyment. Number 5. CVA Breech Plug Nipple Grease, White. This is the CVA Slick Breech Plug Nipple Grease. It is designed to keep your breech plug functioning smoothly. This grease will help ensure optimal performance. This grease helps prevent plugging, ensuring reliable ignition. Using it will keep your firearm in top condition. You can count on it for consistent results. The grease is white. It is easy to apply and ensures complete coverage. This product is a must-have for any firearm owner. This product is made by CVA. CVA is a trusted name in firearms accessories. You can be confident in the quality and performance of this product. The product is easy to use. Simply apply a small amount to the breech plug. It will keep your firearm in top condition. What we like. This grease prevents your breech plug and nipple from getting plugged. It's easy to apply, ensuring a smooth shooting experience. If you're tired of dealing with misfires due to a clogged breech, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. When I use this on my Muzzy breech plug, I never have to worry about it seizing after a shot. When cleaning and using solvent, simply put a dot of this grease on the breech plug before twizzling it in. Prevents the breech plug from seizing up from sitting most of the year. Number 4. CVA AC 1622 DuraSight FO Sights Rifle. Introducing the CVA AC 1622 DuraSight FO Sights. This is a brand new rifle part designed for your favorite firearm. It's made with high-quality material. This product is brand new and ready to enhance your shooting experience. It's a great addition to your rifle, providing improved accuracy and performance. The CVA trad inlines are included, ensuring a perfect fit. This is a reliable and durable part that will last for years. The DuraSight fiber optic sights offer enhanced visibility. They make it easier to acquire your target quickly and accurately. Made with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and reliability. You can trust it to perform consistently in various conditions. What we like. These sights are designed with fiber optics for enhanced visibility. They are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. If you're looking for improved accuracy and faster target acquisition, especially in low-light conditions, you should consider these. What people say. The Ramrod is very strong and well made. The breech plug removal tool is a must-have. The CVA accessories kit is a great buy. Number 3. CVA Replacement Breech Plug, 2010 Plus Accura Optima. This breech plug is specially designed for use with blackhorn and other loose powder muzzle loading propellants. It ensures optimal performance with your chosen propellant type. This plug is engineered for loose powder muzzle loading propellants. It provides a reliable and efficient experience for shooters who prefer this method. Please note, this breech plug is not compatible with the CVA Apex model. Make sure this is the right fit for your muzzleloader. Whether you choose pelletized or loose powder, this plug is designed to optimize your shooting experience. It's all about giving you the best performance. With this breech plug, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred propellant type. It's a versatile component designed for your convenience. What we like. This breech plug is specially designed for use with loose powder propellants. It offers quick-release plugs that are optimal for the type of propellant the shooter chooses. If you are a shooter who prefers loose powder and wants optimal performance, this is a great choice. What people say. The CVA accessories are well made and function as designed. The accessories fit perfectly and are easy to use. The product is of good quality. Number 2. CVA AC 1631 QRBP Breech Plug Clean-Out System. Tired of build-up in your breech plug? This system is designed to easily remove any obstructions. It's a must-have for maintaining your CVA QRBP breech plug. This system is compatible with all CVA QRBP breech plugs. Specifically, it fits models from 2010 and newer. Ensure optimal performance with this essential tool. The system makes cleaning your breech plug a breeze. It helps ensure your firearm functions correctly. Get yours today and experience the difference. This kit includes everything you need to keep your breech plug clean. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Keep it handy for quick maintenance. Regular cleaning is key to firearm longevity. This kit helps you do just that. It will help you keep your firearm in top condition. What we like. This cleanout system easily removes any buildup in your breech plug. It fits all CVA QRBP breech plugs from 2010 and newer. If you're looking for an easy way to maintain your breech plug and ensure optimal performance, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit worked like a charm on my CVA Optima .50 cal. This cleanout tool set does an excellent job of cleaning the entire flash channel and flash hole. Good fit got my CVA breech plug. Number 1. CVA PalmSaver 24 barrel replacement ramrod. This replacement ramrod makes reloading incredibly easy. It simplifies the process, allowing for quick and efficient reloads. You'll find it significantly improves your shooting experience. The ramrod can stay on the gun while you're shooting. This convenient feature saves time and makes it easy to keep it handy. It's designed for seamless use during your shooting sessions. It protects your palm while seating the bullet. The design ensures your hand is safe during the loading process. This feature adds an extra layer of safety and comfort. The seating end of the rod is smooth and not threaded. This ensures your bullet is seated correctly every time. It's designed for precision and reliability. This ramrod is 30 inches long with an extended jag. This provides ample length and functionality for your needs. It's a reliable tool for your shooting activities. What we like. This ramrod makes reloading a breeze and protects your palm while seating the bullet. The seating end of it is smooth to ensure your bullet is properly seated. If you value a comfortable and efficient reloading process, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The ramrod is a perfect fit. The breech plug removal tool worked perfectly. The CVA accessories are a great addition to my muzzleloader. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.